That's it. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Tignan niyo yan. Sobrang ganda. My God. This is they called white sands. Doon pa ako sa taas, ha? Wait lang. Tignan nyo to, oh. Grabe. It's very cold. It's very, very cold. Grabe, tignan mo naman. Nakaganon-ganon mo nga. Look at that. It's all white sand. And then when you touch it, it's really, really, really cold. I don't know about the story about this white sand, but Google nyo na lang kung bakit siya naging white sand.